In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments to a PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a clear note on any page so your feedback is easy to see and simple to respond to. Start with your PDF open in Adobe Acrobat Pro. The commenting tools live in the toolbar as a speech bubble icon labeled Comment. Go ahead and click that. When you open the commenting tool, Acrobat reveals a panel on the right side with your comment list and options, and a compact toolbar appears along the top of the document with tools like Notes, Highlights, and Drawing. If your workspace looks a little different, don't worry. Acrobat may rearrange panels based on screen size, but that same comment button is what activates everything you need. With the commenting tools active, click directly on the spot in the document where you want your feedback to appear. A note marker will drop at that location, and a message box will open for you automatically. If you need precision, zoom in before you click so your note sits exactly next to the word, paragraph, or image you're referring to. You can always drag the marker slightly after placing it to fine-tune the position without changing your text. Type your comment in the message box. Keep it concise but specific so the recipient instantly understands the action or context. It helps to reference what you're commenting on, like, "Update this date to next quarter," or "Great point." Consider adding a citation below. If you're leaving multiple notes, consider a consistent style, such as starting with a verb for action items or adding a brief reason so decisions are easy to track later. You can also expand the box to see more text while you type, and the right side panel will list your comment as soon as you start entering it, making it easy to review or revisit. When your message looks good, click Post to commit the comment. The note becomes part of the PDF's comment list, and a small icon will remain on the page where you placed it. You can select that icon at any time to reopen, edit, or delete the message if something changes. If you're collaborating, your teammates will see the posted comment in the list and can reply right there, keeping the conversation organized. That's all there is to it. Activate the comment tool. Click where you want the note, type your message, and click Post. Your feedback is now attached to the file and will travel with it when you save and share.